Welcome to our channel. Getting Peacock up and running on your Vizio SmartCast TV is easy. Here's how to activate it. Step 1. Turn on your Vizio SmartCast TV and press the SmartCast button on your remote to access the app menu. Step 2. Navigate to the App Store on your SmartCast TV. Look for the icon that says App Store or browse the available streaming apps. Step 3. Search for the Peacock app using the on-screen keyboard. Type Peacock in the search bar. Step 4. Select the Peacock app from the search results and click Install or Add to Home. Wait for the app to download and install on your TV. Step 5. Open the Peacock app from your SmartCast home screen. The app should now appear among your installed applications. Step 6. Choose to sign in or sign up for Peacock. An activation code will be displayed on your TV screen. Step 7. Using a computer, smartphone, or tablet, go to the Peacock activation website shown on your TV. This is usually peacocktv.com TV. Step 8. Enter the activation code from your Vizio TV into the website and sign in with your Peacock account. Once confirmed, your TV app will refresh automatically and you can start streaming your favorite shows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.